we are here. We want also to find a way. How do we lose the money? And after we get the loophole, we are going now to recommend them to go to the parliament so that they can enact the legislation which also can prevent that. As you have seen now, there are some bills which are already on the floor, like the EACC. The EACC already, they have tabled the bill in the parliament, and I think within 2 to 3 this month it will be signed. And you have seen like an area of the corruption. If you give out the money and the one who is receiving, before it was the one who is giving out is taken to the court, but now the law has been changed that the both who is giving the money and also who is receiving the money, you will also go to the court.
Na pia tunaweza kutengeneza policy ambazo tunatengeneza, tunaweza kushare within ourselves, within the regions, na tunaweza kuhakikisha ya kwamba part of vijana uongozini pekee inakuwa broad, because vijana uongozini inaweza kuwa katika pande ya capacity building, katika pande ya innovation na katika pande pia ya private sector.
Hii mkutano ni muhimu sana kwa nchi yetu ya Kenya na haswa kwa sisi viongozi. Mimi huwa nasema the youths are not leaders for tomorrow, the youths are leaders for today. Na yale agenda zenye wameweka kipaumbele zinatuguza kama nchi na zinatuguza sisi binafsi kama viongozi.